Let's learn how to fix TikTok swipe not working. This problem is most commonly caused by not clearing cache on your TikTok application and also settings. But no worries, follow my steps, and I will show you how to fix it. Let's start by opening your TikTok application. Here you can see that my swipe is working, because there are these dots showing how much photos are in the post. If there are dots on your phone too, but you can't swipe right, stay until the end of the video. Now let's click on Profile Picture in bottom right corner of your screen. It will take you to your profile page from here. Search for 3 horizontal lines in upper right corner and click on them. From here, you want to go to Settings and Privacy. It's the last option. Once you are in, scroll down a bit until you find Free Up Space option, which is in Cache and Cellular area, and go there. After that, you will see that we have 2 options on the screen. As you can see, this cache is occupying your memory and saving some things you might not need now. That things can cause some errors or bugs within TikTok app. Now let's clean them. First, let's clean cache things. Press on Clear button, and when pop-up appear, click on it again. Same process as with Downloads option. Now check if these 2 things helped you with swipe error. If it didn't, there is one more thing you can do. Go back to starting screen, find Settings app and go there. From Settings app, search for General Options. You will scroll down a bit, select I. Once you are there, find and click on iPhone Storage option. Scroll down until you find a TikTok application. When you did go there and now another page will load, you will see 2 options, but we need only first one, and that's Offload app. Basically, it only removes some unnecessary storage from your TikTok. Click on blue Offload button and wait a bit. Now you can see that now there appeared an reinstall button. You want to click on that, or you can come back to home screen and just click on TikTok application again. This will reinstall your TikTok application in some way. It's still installed, but you will basically just reset it. When it finishes with downloading, open TikTok again. Your swipe problem should be fixed, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.